How to save and export a video in VSDC video editor. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can save and export a video in VSDC video editor. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your VSDC video editor. After that, you have to edit your project. Once you're done editing your project, now if you want to export your project or video, navigate to this menu bar at the top. There's an option as export project. Click on it. Now once you do that, navigate to your left hand side, and here you have to click on change name. That's gonna allow you to change your name and also choose the file location where you want to save your video. So here now you can name your project or you can name your file. After that, you can also select the path where you want to save your project on. Once you're done, click on save. After that, navigate to this top section right here, and if you select PC, you will have various options or format for your video. You can convert or save it into MP4 to AVI, MKV, MXF, and many other options. If you select WAV, here you have an option such as to MP4, to WAV, to FLB, SWF, or to GIF. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. For now, I will just go with PC, and here I will select 2MB4 here. So once you're done with that, now in order to export, what you have to do is click on export project right here. So click on it, and here click on continue. Click on no. After that, as you can see, the file is being exported. And once this export is complete, you will find your file in your location. So if you click on show in folder, so on your folder, you will have your project exported or saved, as you can see here. So in this way, you can save or export a video or project from VSDC video editor. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.